Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose the best local AI tool for a specific need, comparing the two heavy hitters, Ollama and LM Studio. Now this process is straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now let's start with Ollama. If you're comfortable with the terminal or you're a developer looking for speed and automation, this is likely your winner. Think of Ollama as the Docker of AI. It runs efficiently in your command line, making it incredibly lightweight and fast. To use it, you simply open your terminal or command prompt and type a simple command like Ollama run llama 3 and hit enter. And the tool automatically handles downloading the model and setting up the environment without you needing to click a single button. However, because there is no graphical interface, if you aren't comfortable typing commands or troubleshooting in a black window, this might feel a bit intimidating at first. And on the complete opposite side of the spectrum, we have LM Studio. This tool is designed for people who want the power of local AI, but with a beautiful, easy-to-use interface. Because when you open LM Studio, you're greeted with a dashboard that looks a lot like an app store. You can click the magnifying glass icon to search for models. It lets you browse through different versions and simply click a download button with a visible progress bar. Once downloaded, you head to the Chat tab. Over there, you can select your model from the drop-down menu and start talking immediately. No coding required. Now the trade-off here is that it is a bit heavier on your system resources compared to the streamlined nature of Ollama. Now let's talk about what happens under the hood, because this is where the real difference lies regarding control. Ollama is fantastic for set-it-and-forget-it speed. It automatically optimizes your model for your hardware, so you get fast responses instantly. LM Studio, however, gives you granular control. On the right-hand sidebar, you can manually adjust sliders for context length, temperature, and GPU offload. This means if you want to experiment with exactly how AI thinks or behaves, LM Studio gives you those knobs to turn, whereas Ollama handles that in the background. So now the question is, which one should you actually install? Now it comes down to your workflow. If you're a developer wanting to build app, scripts, automation, or run models on a Linux server, go with Ollama for its flexibility and speed. Now if you're a content creator, a researcher, or just someone who wants to chat with AI without learning terminal commands, download LM Studio for the best user experience. And honestly, you can install both. I use Ollama for coding workloads and LM Studio when I just want to quickly test a new model visually. So that's it. You now know exactly which local AI tool fits your workflow and how to get started with both. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.